Hello viewers, on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change the shifter switch on this GMC Sierra 1500. The concern on the vehicle is a shift to park message that happens intermittently. We're going to replace that shifter switch. It's the same procedure on a lot of GM vehicles that have the column shifter, the Silverado and the GMC. Alright, let's do this. First, we're going to pull the steering wheel forward as far out as possible, like this, and lock it in place. Right? And there are two 7mm, as you guys see in the instruction here. There is a 7mm at the bottom of the steering wheel that we need to replace. It goes in that hole here. Let's take it out. Here it is. As you guys see here, it's saying shift to park. We're gonna use a trim tool like this so you can separate. This thing is two separate pieces. We're gonna have to separate them using this. See here, I crack it open. Right, good. So now here is your 10mm bolt. That means a 7mm bolt we need to remove. We're going to start the vehicle now so you can have access to that bolt here. Okay, let's take it out. We're gonna go the other way now. Here it is. Let's put the steering wheel straight, and we're going to remove the lower part of the shifter harness, the steering column, and we're going to pull this, separate the upper part of the steering wheel. Let's separate it. And shut off the vehicle now. So we're not replacing this. This is the part that we are replacing. It's on the white side of the steering column underneath it. Okay, we're gonna replace this. Now we're gonna use a pick like this to unplug the switch. Okay. So now we have the shifter switch unplugged right now. Right, here's the connector for it. You pull the red tab out, right, and you squeeze the black piece here that's in the middle and pull it out. So now what we're gonna do is remove the shifter switch. There is a T20, I think, to hold it in place. I don't know if you guys can see the bulb. There it is. And we're going to remove this piece here. What you do, you spread those two tabs here, this one and this one, to push it up, and it will pop out. Okay, and here it is. I pretty much have it up completely. You can use a flat blade screwdriver or a pick to pry it off completely, and there it is. Right, it goes in like this, and you find a way to use a screwdriver, pull it out. There it is. So now what we're gonna do, we're going to slide it in that hole here and put the bolt in. We give it T20. As you can see here, it's in place. Now since everything is plugged in, I got everything bolt on the other side. Right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna slide the switch and so when you put that thing in, you have to put it in at an angle so that you can line up the two legs. Here's the old one. when you put on an angle so the two legs can go on the hole, and once it's lined up, push it down. That's exactly what I did up here. Once it's fully seated, you're gonna hear a click. Let's see. There you go. There it is. That's how you do it, guys, and plug everything in. And yep, it's fully seated. You guys see the lever. Yep, that's all it is, guys. Now we're going to test the vehicle now. We're going to test it. And shut off the vehicle. No more shift to park. That's how you fix it. Now what we're gonna do is just put everything back together, put the bottom part in, and that will be it, guys. And make sure all those things line up. Yep. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.